Similarity. Some theorem. Theorem of similarity of right-angled triangle. Corollary. Theorem of Pythagoras and converse of Pythagoras theorem. Hello students, how are you all? You all are looking very fresh today. I feel happy and fresh when I look your fresh faces while teaching. Let us start a new topic. Our new topic is Theorem of Pythagoras. Pythagoras theorem. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Similarity of right-angled triangle. Theorem. In a right-angled triangle, if the perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle to the hypotenuse, then triangles on either sides of the perpendicular are similar to the original triangle and to each other. Given, in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Segment BD is perpendicular to side AC and
point D lies between the points A and C.
To prove triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. Proof. In triangle ADB and triangle ABC, we get angle DAB and angle BAC as well as angle ADB and angle ABC are congruent. Hence, triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Also, in triangle BDC and triangle ABC, we get angle BCD and angle ACB as well as angle BDC and angle ABC are congruent. Hence, triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Therefore, from 1 and 2, triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. Therefore, from 1, 2 and 3, we get triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Hence, the theorem is proved.
Corollary. In a right-angled triangle, the length of perpendicular segment drawn on the geometric mean of the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the length of the segments in which hypotenuse is divided.
Proof. In a right-angled triangle PQR, segment QS perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. Triangle PSQ similar to triangle QSR. Therefore, QS upon RS is equal to PS upon QS. Therefore, QS square is equal to PS into RS. QS is equal to under root PS into SR. Segment QS is geometric mean of segment PS and segment SR. Hence, the corollary is proved. Example 1. In adjoining figure, angle MNP is equal to 90 degree. Segment NQ is perpendicular to side MP. MQ is equal to 4. QP is equal to 9. Find NQ. Now the solution. In right angle triangle MNP, we have segment NQ is perpendicular to side MP. By the property of geometric mean, we have NQ is equal to root of MQ into QP. Putting the value of MQ and QP in this equation, we get the value of NQ is 6. Theorem of Pythagoras. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Given in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. To prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Construction. Draw perpendicular segment BD on side AC such that
point D lies between the points A and C.
Prove. In right angle triangle ABC, segment BD is perpendicular to hypotenuse AC by construction. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC by similarity of right angle triangles. We choose first pair, that is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB, and we know very well that if triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, AB divided by AD is equal to AC divided by AB by corresponding sides. If we do the cross multiplication, we get AB square is equal to AD into AC. That is equation 1. Similarly, we now choose second pair, that is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. If we continue the above process, we get BC square is equal to DC into AC. Second equation. Adding 1 and 2, we get AB square plus BC square is equal to AD into AC plus DC into AC. If we take AC common from above equation, we get AC into bracket AD plus DC bracket complete. But AD plus DC gives AC.
Point D lies between the points A and C.
Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Hence, the theorem is proved. Bodhayan theorem, another name of Pythagoras theorem. The theorem was earlier given by an ancient Indian mathematician, Bodhayan, about 800 BC, in the following form. The diagonal of a rectangle produces by itself the same area as produced by its both sides, that is, length and breadth. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. In a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, then The angle opposite the first side is a right angle. The proof of converse of Pythagoras theorem is shown. Let us see an example on Pythagoras theorem. Find hypotenuse. PQR is a triangle right-angled at P. If PQ is equal to 10 cm and PR is equal to 24 cm, find QR. With the help of given information, we have drawn a right-angled triangle PQR. Now QR is hypotenuse. By applying Pythagoras theorem, we get QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. Put the values of PQ and PR. We get QR square is equal to 100 plus 576. The sum is 676. 676 is the square of 26. Therefore, QR is equal to 26. In this way, we found the length of hypotenuse QR is 26. Now find a side of a triangle if its hypotenuse and other side is given.
In right angle triangle ABC, AC is 15 cm and BC is 9 cm. Find AB.
Now in this example, AC is hypotenuse. By applying Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Put the values of AC and BC. We get 15 square is equal to AB square plus 9 square. Now square of 15 is 225 and square of 9 is 81. Now we have to find out AB. Therefore, transfer 81 to left side and we get AB square is equal to 144. Now 144 is the square of 12. Therefore, AB is 12. In this way, we found the length of AB is equal to 12. Summary. In this subtopic, we have learned 1. Theorem of similarity of right-angled triangle. 2. Corollary of similarity of right-angled triangle. 3. Theorem of Pythagoras. 4. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. So, that is all in this subtopic, student. We will learn theorem of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. Theorem of 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. Apollonius theorem in our next topic. Till then, keep learning. Bye-bye.